Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English Listen Easy channel.
Hey everyone! We are so happy you are here with us today.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. And yes, we are back in our little studio again.
It's the same studio, same chairs, same microphones.
And same coffee. I think this coffee has been here since last week.
Oh no, please don't drink that, Jack.
Too late.
You are brave, or maybe just crazy.
Probably both.
So, how are you today, Jack?
I'm good. I feel great today. The weather was nice this morning. I went for a short walk.
That sounds great.
Yeah, it was relaxing. I saw a dog, and the dog saw me, and then we just stared at each other.
That sounds a little awkward.
It was. I didn't know what to do. I just said, "Hi, dog."
Did the dog say hi back?
No, but I think he judged me.
Of course he did.
What about you, Emma? How are you?
I'm good too. I had a slow morning. I drank tea, listened to music, and I tried to wake up.
Tried?
Yes, my body was awake, but my brain was still sleeping.
I know that feeling.
So today, we're talking about something fun.
Yes, very fun.
Our topic is why learning English is easier when it's fun.
Ooh, I like this topic.
Me too, because let's be honest.
Learning can be boring sometimes.
Yes, very boring.
Books, grammar, long rules.
So many rules.
But when learning is fun,
Everything changes.
you feel happy.
You remember more.
And you don't fall asleep.
That's very important.
So, Emma, let me ask you, did you ever learn something in a fun way?
Yes, I did. When I was younger, I learned English by watching TV shows.
Really?
Yes, I loved watching funny shows. I didn't understand everything, but I laughed a lot.
That's funny.
And you know what? I learned many words without trying.
That's the best way.
What about you?
When I learned Spanish, I played video games.
Oh, wow.
The game was in Spanish. I didn't understand the story, but I wanted to win.
So you learned Spanish to win a game?
Yes, and it worked, a little.
That's amazing.
I learned words like go, run, danger, and food.
Very important words.
Especially food.
Always. I think when we have fun, we don't feel stress.
Yes, that's true.
When we feel stress, our brain says, no thank you.
The brain just leaves the room.
Yes, I'm out.
But when we enjoy something, our brain stays
And listens.
and learns.
Exactly.
Let's talk about real life. Imagine this.
Okay.
You are sitting with a big grammar book.
Oh no.
You read for 1 hour.
My eyes are tired already.
You understand maybe 10%.
That's sad.
Now imagine this.
Okay, I'm ready.
You watch a funny video in English.
Yes.
You laugh.
Yes.
You hear simple words.
Uh-huh.
You remember them.
That feels better.
So which one is easier?
The fun one, of course.
Exactly.
I have a small story.
Oh, I like stories.
So one day, I tried to study English with a very serious book.
Okay.
I sat down, opened the book,
Yes.
and after 5 minutes,
What happened?
I fell asleep.
No way!
Yes, my head was on the book.
That's funny.
Then I woke up and I had a mark on my face.
From the book?
Yes.
Oh, no!
That day I said, okay, no more boring books.
Good decision. I also have a story.
Tell me.
One time, I tried to learn English by listening to songs.
That's a great idea.
But I sang the wrong words.
Oh no.
Very wrong words.
Like what?
Instead of I love you, I sang I love soup.
What?
Yes, I didn't know the difference.
That's amazing.
I was singing very loud.
Oh no.
And my friend said, "Why do you love soup so much?"
That's so funny.
I was very confused.
But you learned something.
Yes, I learned that you is not soup.
Very important lesson. So, listeners, you see, mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes can be funny.
And fun helps you remember.
When you laugh, you learn faster.
That sounds great.
Hey, listeners, quick moment.
Yes, if you enjoyed this podcast,
Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
and we have a question for you.
Yes, write in the comments, what is your favorite fun way to learn English?
Do you watch movies, listen to music, play games?
Tell us, we want to know.
What about you?
I like podcasts.
Good answer.
Of course.
Like this one?
Yes, especially this one.
Nice save.
I also like short videos.
Oh, me too.
Not long ones, just short, simple videos.
That's easier for beginners.
Yes, you don't feel tired.
And you can repeat.
Exactly.
Let's share another moment.
Okay.
So, one time, I tried to speak English at a restaurant.
Oh, interesting.
I wanted to say, I would like chicken.
Okay.
But I said, I would like kitchen.
Oh no.
The waiter looked confused. He said, You want a kitchen?
That's amazing.
I felt so shy.
I know that feeling.
But we laughed.
That's good.
And now I never forget the word chicken.
See? Fun helps memory.
So, listeners, don't be afraid.
Yes, don't be shy.
Speak, try, laugh.
And enjoy the process.
Let's think. Why is fun so powerful? I think it's because we feel relaxed.
Yes,
When we are relaxed, we learn better.
that's true.
Also, fun gives us motivation.
Right, you want to continue.
You don't want to stop.
Like when you watch a good show.
Yes, you say, just one more episode.
And then, 5 hours later,
You are still watching.
oops.
Learning English can be like that too.
Yes, if it's fun.
You keep going.
You don't feel tired.
And you improve slowly.
Step by step.
Let's do a quick recap.
Okay?
Today, we talked about learning English in a fun way.
Yes.
We shared stories.
Funny ones.
Very funny ones.
Especially the soup song.
I still can't believe that.
It was a hard time.
Sure, Jack. And we said that fun helps memory.
It reduces stress.
It gives motivation.
It makes learning easier.
Now, bonus tip.
Ooh.
Very simple tip.
Ready?
Choose one fun activity in English every day.
Just one.
Maybe a short video.
Or a song.
Or a small conversation.
Keep it simple.
And enjoy it.
That's a great tip.
Thank you.
I will try it too.
You should.
Maybe I will learn new words.
Hopefully correct ones.
Yes, no more soup love.
Okay, listeners, it's time to say goodbye.
We had so much fun today.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Before you go, we have a question.
Yes, what is your favorite fun way to learn English?
Tell us in the comments,
We love reading your answers.
and maybe we will talk about them next time.
That sounds great.
See you soon, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.